Which animal would excel in law enforcement? A. Elephant. B. Cheetah. 4 seconds to think. Answer is B. Cheetah. Which animal would be best suited for a rescue operation? A. Dolphins. B. Giraffes. 4 seconds to think. Answer is A. Dolphins. Which animal could serve as a judge? A. Lion. B. Eagles. 4 seconds to think. Answer is A. Lions. Which animal would excel in the postal service? A. Horses. B. Pigeons. 4 seconds to think. Answer is B. Pigeons. Which animal could be an excellent firefighter? A. Elephants. B. Octopus. 4 seconds to think. Answer is A. Elephants. Which animal could be an effective politician? A. Fox. B. Parrot. 4 seconds to think. Answer is A. Fox. Which animal would be best for a military role? A. Bear. B. Eagle. 4 seconds to think. Answer is B. Eagle. Which animal could serve in the medical field? A. Chimpanzee. B. Dog. 4 seconds to think. Answer is B. Dog. Which animal would make a good diplomat? A. Rabbit. B. Owl. 4 seconds to think. Answer is B. Owl. Which animal would excel as a detective? A. Raccoon. B. Dog. 4 seconds to think. Answer is B. Dog. Can you please like and subscribe videos? It will help bring more resources and time. And after subscribing, please write in comments, done.